Hi, we're Maui and Trizzy. Join us as we explore some of Harry Potter's wizardry around London. Along with the well-known Warner Brothers studio tour, where you can experience the magic firsthand, we'll also roam around the city to visit some of the stores and staples that made London's popularity pop immensely after the fantasy series was released. Many fans dream of visiting the magical world of Harry Potter, but may not know what to expect or how to make the most of their visit to the studio. Visiting the Warner Brothers studio tour can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not prepared. It's essential to plan ahead so you don't miss out on the incredible experience that awaits you. From iconic sets to behind-the-scenes secrets, the studio tour is packed with unforgettable moments that will leave you spellbound, even for people like me, Trizzy, who is just going along for the ride. But if you're a die-hard Harry Potter fan like Maui, you'll want to savor every second of your visit, and we'll provide you with as much information and tools to get the most out of the magic. There are several ways to book your tour. Number 1, book directly on the Warner Brothers Studio site. They offer a wide range of packages that include just the admission, or dinner or hotel packages. This will require you to plan your own transportation to the studio though. But there is a shuttle bus from Watford Junction that's free with proof of admission. Another option is to book through a third party like we did. Since we try to buy tickets too last minute, the Warner Brothers Studio Tour website was sold out. Instead, we were able to buy tickets from Golden Tours. Excited? Show the brochure. Bam! With the timed entry ticket, they provided round-trip transportation to and from central London on a comfortable double-decker bus. We paid $150 USD per person. This bus ride took about an hour and a half. Upon arrival, we strode through a lane of giant wands resembling the ones owned by the wizards themselves. Entrance was a breeze, and the lobby already provided the magic Maui has yearned for. The Ukrainian iron-bellied dragon that suspended above us was hard to miss. Prior to the start of the attraction, there was also a restaurant, cafe, and merch store that people could visit. We started the tour by entering the doors to the set of the Great Hall, the main gathering place at Hogwarts. Our visit was during December, and the studio tour was Hogwarts in the snow, so the Great Hall was decorated for the Christmas feast, which included food, Christmas trees, the iconic floating candles, costumes of students per each Hogwarts house, costumes of the professors, and the house point counters. The guide showed us the fire effect of the Christmas pudding and explained a lot of the secrets of movie magic within the Great Hall. From the Hogwarts Great Hall to Diagon Alley, each set is meticulously recreated to transport you into the world of Harry Potter. More of the sets included Harry and Ron's dorm room and the common rooms of Gryffindor and Slytherin. Dumbledore's office featured Fawkes, the loyal phoenix with healing tears. Also the memory cabinet and the pensive. We also got to see the potion classroom taught by Professor Snape. One of the most thrilling aspects of the studio tour is getting to see the actual props and costume used in the films. The respect and admiration grows after seeing Hermione's dress from the Yule Ball, and other costumes and wigs used by the cast. The level of creativity that goes into making each and every prop is deserving of all its awards. And you'll be amazed by the intricate details that bring the characters to life. If you want a fun challenge and a souvenir to take home, you can grab a free passport stamp book and stamp the different emblems around the tour. Continuing through the studio, some of the behind-the-scenes secrets were interactive, where the green screen experience allowed visitors to ride a broomstick as if they were playing Quidditch. The animatronics blended seamlessly into the movie, and we got to witness some of the gems that were engineered. Visitors gathered around a demonstration of the Goblet of Fire. This showed how contestants from each school were selected for the Triwizard Tournament. Another fun interactive activity was learning to dance the waltz for the Yule Ball. There are footsteps on the ground to follow, and you can add your own spin to it. So of course, I did it without hesitation. We danced our way to the dark arts, where the chilling scene of Professor Burbage being suspended in the air with Death Eaters and the snake Nagini surrounding her. Around the corner were the incredible costumes and set designs of the Ministry of Magic. Leaving the scenes of the dark arts, we entered into the Forbidden Forest. Haze, lights, and sounds provided the atmosphere of why this place was off limits in the movie. Strolling through the forest, Hagrid's realistic hippogriff, Buckbeak, was an impressive animatronic. Within the forest was a movie magic display of how a Patronus would glow and appear in the movie. Expecto Patronum. The next set needs no introduction. Even for those who don't follow the fantasy, they'll know the notorious platform 9 3/4. There are many opportunities to take a photo with the train platform that'll help you board the Hogwarts Express. Speaking of the Hogwarts Express, there was a long line to go onto the train cart, so we opted out since we were personally tight on time. After about 3 hours of touring, we made it to the Backlot cafe where lunch was served. We got into line to order a crispy chicken burger, fries, chicken wings, and of course, butterbeer. On the second part of the tour after lunch features the tall night bus. The Dursleys' house on Privet Drive, where Harry grew up living in the cupboard under the stairs. And the greenhouse of Professor Sprout, where you can pull the screaming mandrakes from the soil. The goblins of Gringotts Bank had their own special set that was so realistic and majestic. We explored the bank vaults and ended with the reenactment of the Ukrainian iron-bellied dragon blowing its fire to protect any trespasser from going into the vault. Nearing the end of the tour was Diagon Alley. The lifelike scenery included walking on cobblestones along the colorful shops. The finale was the model of Hogwarts Castle, which is truly breathtaking. Snowfall was projected onto the castle, and it added winter magic and an experience we'll never forget. As we conclude our journey through the magical sets, props, and overall production that the Warner Bros. Studio Tour has to offer, I hope we've given you a glimpse into the incredible world of Harry Potter, but also leaving some excitement and curiosity for your future plans to visit. A trip to the studio tour also means that you'll be able to witness more wizardry around the city of London itself. Here are some of the other Harry Potter things we came across outside of the tour. The inspiration of the King's Cross Station came from the actual King's Cross Station in London. This was featured in the first film as Harry was attending Hogwarts for the first time. And just like the tour, there is a photo opportunity for the platform 9 3/4. Next to the platform is a Harry Potter merch shop. Since we visited during the end of year holidays, there was a cool Christmas tree decked out in a Harry Potter theme. Outside of the King's Cross Station are more Harry Potter stores. One we went to was MinaLima. known for being the graphic design studio behind the Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts movies. This shop sells special merchandise and displays original props from the films. We didn't leave empty-handed. Maui bought a MinaLima version of her favorite Harry Potter book, The Prisoner of Azkaban. This included MinaLima illustrations and interactive pages. And that's a wrap on the Harry Potter tour. It's time for us to fly back home. Ascendio! Thanks for watching Maui and Trizzy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures around the world.